Hey Switch gamers! Ready to level up your multiplayer fun in 2025? We've got the top Nintendo Switch games to play with friends and family. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into these epic multiplayer picks. We're counting down the best Nintendo Switch multiplayer games that'll bring you and your crew hours of chaotic fun. From Super Smash Bros. To Mario Kart, these titles are must-plays. Want to know the top picks? Keep watching. First up, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate is the king of multiplayer mayhem. With 74 characters, including newcomers like Simon Belmont and Ken Masters, plus 100 stages, you can create epic brawls. It supports up to 8 players locally or online, making it perfect for smashing with friends or global rivals. It's a chaotic masterpiece that never gets old. Next up, Super Mario Bros. Wonder revives classic 2D Mario with fresh twists and new characters. Up to 4 players can team up locally or online, dodging wild obstacles and exploring vibrant levels. Its delightful gameplay makes it ideal for both newbies and Mario veterans, bringing families and friends together for a nostalgic yet modern adventure. Rounding out the list, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe delivers the ultimate karting thrill. This upgraded version of the Wii U's Mario Kart 8 adds new characters, a revamped battle mode, and slick base content. Race with up to 4 players locally or online, drifting through iconic tracks. It's a go-to for competitive fun with your squad. These multiplayer gems make the Nintendo Switch a social gaming powerhouse in 2025. Whether you're brawling in Smash, performing in Wonder, or racing in Mario Kart, there's something for every group. Grab your Joy-Cons and start playing. Which game's your favorite for multiplayer nights? Drop it below. That's the scoop on 2025's top Nintendo Switch multiplayer games. Are you hyped for Smash Bros. Chaos or Mario Kart races? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.